Wisdom Gym, Life's Compass Mirror. How to develop emotional intelligence, tips and techniques. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's becoming increasingly essential in both our personal and professional lives, emotional intelligence, or EI. We'll explore what it is, why it matters, and most importantly, how you can develop it. We'll also look at 3 inspiring true-life examples of famous people who have mastered EI. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. Section 1. What is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It's made up of 5 key components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Unlike IQ, which is relatively fixed, EI can be developed and improved with practice. Section 2. The importance of emotional intelligence. So, why is emotional intelligence so important? Well, studies have shown that people with high EI are more likely to succeed in their careers, maintain healthier relationships, and lead more fulfilling lives. It's about being able to navigate social complexities, manage behavior, make personal decisions that achieve positive results, and more. In essence, EI is crucial for personal and professional growth. Section 3. Practical tips and techniques. Now, let's dive into some practical tips and techniques to help you develop your emotional intelligence. Tip 1. Practice self-awareness. The first step to developing EI is self-awareness. Take time each day to reflect on your emotions. Ask yourself questions like, what am I feeling right now, and why am I feeling this way? Journaling can be a great tool for this. By understanding your emotions, you can start to control them better. Tip 2. Improve your self-regulation. Self-regulation is about managing your emotions effectively. When you feel stressed or angry, try techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or counting to 10 before responding. This helps prevent knee-jerk reactions and promotes thoughtful responses. Tip 3. Enhance your empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Practice active listening by paying full attention to the speaker, showing empathy through body language, and reflecting on what they say. This not only helps in building stronger connections, but also in resolving conflicts more effectively. Section 4. Real-life examples of emotional intelligence. Now, let's look at 3 famous individuals who have demonstrated exceptional emotional intelligence. Example 1. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey, one of the most influential media personalities, is known for her incredible empathy and self-awareness. Her ability to connect with her audience and guests on a deep emotional level has been a significant factor in her success. Oprah often shares personal stories, showing vulnerability and authenticity, which resonates with millions. Example 2. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela's journey is a powerful example of self-regulation and empathy. Despite enduring 27 years in prison, he emerged with a focus on reconciliation rather than revenge. Mandela's emotional intelligence helped him unite a deeply divided nation, showcasing the power of forgiveness and understanding. Example 3. Elon Musk. Elon Musk, the visionary behind companies like Tesla and SpaceX, exemplifies motivation and social skills. His ability to inspire and lead his teams towards ambitious goals demonstrates high EI. Musk's open communication style and passion for innovation have garnered him a loyal following and a dedicated workforce. Section 5. Putting it all together. So, how can you put these tips and examples into practice? Start small. Choose one aspect of EI to work on each week. Reflect on your progress, celebrate your improvements, and continue to seek feedback from those around you. Remember, developing emotional intelligence is a journey, not a destination. That's it for today's video on how to develop emotional intelligence. I hope you found these tips and real-life examples inspiring and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Also, comment below with your thoughts and any experiences you've had with developing your own AI. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Wisdom Gym, Life's Compass Mirror. What do you see?